aba batandikira sente no mu Mitara mu district ya Mitooma aho abashomireyo bebembirwe athatwerire Kazoora batongwizeho kombekera ishomereri.
They give you first-hand information, practical information, what they have gone through and what they are doing, and then the available options that will be put on table for you. It is for you to choose. It is not for anyone to choose for you.
Kazoora nkomuntu agambira ko ishomereri ya muhwerire niko kusharamo kubombekere cyombeko kandi ishomereri ribasimire abo mutuma murungi.
The Kazoora Foundation is going to build a full classroom block. A full classroom block in honoring a career guidance that we started as a OB.
You all have aspirations, you have visions. But when they come here and you see them, you are inspired the more.
Aba batunjiraho umugisha no kugambaho nabeji no kubahabura ubutafa mutima kureka batema amano mu kushoma. District ni yemwe abakazoora foundation bashira Mayanga Seed School district ya Mitooma aho barukwatira habeji 12 befuzi nuko kurambuzwa projects z'ishomero ahibahireyo no buhwezi bwa siminti hamwe nente.
Among of you, the senior 4 students here whom you are teaching, whoever will get a distinction 1 from your subject, every distinction Kazoora Foundation will pay you 50,000. That is for you to charge.
Nizima Kazoora na foundation ye abo mugando kwa kwereza ishomereri okushomesa beji abo kukabeji 12 abakwera fizi
itweka Kazoora Foundation eche ebe bitukora byona tubikora abo kunda niyo nko muntu wabutosa wabo ryokwe nabasukurgayo ohwera abantu bo wanyu.
Bwanyuma y'abakazoora foundation okayente ho nabaraganise okugumiza mu kwera amashomero mu Ruhinda South. Gasha kwa Sheikh Abdulatif.